David Kolb was an American theorist who was born in 1939. He is currently still living. His main interests and publications focus on experiential learning. He earned his master's and PhD in social psychology from Harvard University. Kolb has had great influence on his times and surroundings. He takes great interest in the nature of individual and social change, career development, and executive and professional education. He is known for his contribution to thinking around organizational behavior, and also he is the founder and chairman of Experience-Based Learning Systems Incorporated, whose goal is to provide ongoing quality research and practice on experiential learning. Kolb is a strong believer that learning is the process whereby knowledge is created through the transformation of experience. His famous theory is known as the experiential learning cycle. It has a direct impact on one's cognitive development. The model is built upon the idea that learning preferences can be described using two continuums. The first one being active experimentation to reflective observation, and then the second one being abstract conceptualization to concrete experience. The cycle starts off with concrete experience, where a student is doing or having a specific experience. Next, we go to reflective observation, where observation and reflection is done on that experience. Following that, we go to abstract conceptualization, where the formation of abstract concepts and generalizations are formed. And finally, it takes us to active experimentation, where those concepts and generalizations from abstract conceptualization are used to test hypotheses in future situations, resulting in new experiences. Kolb views learning as an integrated process with each stage being mutually supportive of and feeding into the next. Kolb's theory identified four learning styles which correspond to the four stages. These learning styles include assimilating, converging, accommodating, and diverging. Assimilating are students who learn better when presented with sound logical theories to consider. This includes watching and thinking as their best qualities. Converging are students who learn better when provided with practical applications of concepts and theories. These students learn better from doing and thinking. Accommodating is a style for students who learn better when provided with hands-on experiences. These qualities include doing and feeling. And finally, diverging are for students who learn better when allowed to observe and collect a wide range of information. These qualities include feeling and watching. Kolb's theory was influenced by the works of other famous theorists, such as John Dewey, Kurt Lewin, and Jean Piaget, who are all pictured below in that order. Kolb's experiential learning cycle can be very influential to classroom teachers. Using this theory, teachers can critically evaluate the learning provision typically available to students and also develop more appropriate learning opportunities. Educators should ensure that activities are designed and carried out in ways that offer each learner the chance to engage in the manner that suits them best. Also, individuals can be helped to learn more effectively by the identification of their lesser preferred learning styles. Continuing on from that, activities and material should be developed in ways that draw on abilities for each stage of the experiential learning cycles and take the students through the entire process in sequence. Some key takeaways from Kolb's theory is that experiential learning is the process where knowledge results from different combinations of grasping and transforming experiences. The grasping experiences and the transforming experiences come from the two continuums. And the next takeaway follows the learning stages into the learning styles. His theory of experiential learning serves as the basis for these four learning styles, which again are assimilating, converging, accommodating, and diverging.